Hey, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Tracy and this is A Girl with Plans. Today's video is a little bit different because I'm going to show you how I use all four of these planners throughout the day. So at the start of the day, I go through all of my daily planners. For my fitness planner, I will record my macros and my Apple Watch stats for the day before. This is so I get the most accurate readings in case I have a late night snack or get a few extra steps in. Then I switch to my wellness section where I record my hours of sleep and my morning energy levels. If I had any symptoms or anything of that nature, I will also write that down here. Because this is a Monday morning, I hadn't quite filled out my self-care goals or my habits for the week, so I'm taking care of that right now. Now it's time to review what I have going on this week, and especially today, in both my catch-all and my social media planners. I will also go ahead and check off anything that I may have already completed the night before or even earlier in the morning. So after my workout, I go ahead and go back into my fitness and health planners and log the actual workout that I completed. And if it's a strength training workout, which it was today, I go ahead and log the actual weight sizes I used for each body part. I also go ahead and flip to the wellness section of this planner to log my energy levels for the midday. Now, I did schedule a chiropractor appointment for today, so I go ahead and go in my catch-all and write that down and then check that off my to-do list. So I keep my social media and my catch-all planners near me when I'm working during the day, and here I am dropping down some brain dumps and also checking off some more to-dos. As I wind down for the day and get ready for bed, I open up my goals planner and I kind of reflect on any goals that I've been working on that day or that week and kind of jot down any progress I've made. Then I flip to the reflection section and kind of do a little bit of guided journaling here to kind of reflect on the day or, again, things that I want to accomplish that week. I also have some filler paper where I kind of do some freestyle journaling just to kind of write down how I'm feeling, maybe some good things that happened that day. And that's it, guys. That's my planning journey throughout the day.